circular linked list can be used as both single linked list and double linked list. A circular linked list can be used as both a single linked list and double linked list. Write down the program. Write a program to implement circular linked list. Write down the question. Write a program to implement circular linked list. Yes, write down. So for the first one, what did you write? The header files you write down. Hash include stdio.h. You both have to complete that work first. What is that work you are doing? Hash include stdio.h. Next one is the library header file. Hash include stdlib.h. Then you are declaring the structure of the node. How do we declare the structure of the node? Write it, don't see the board there. I have not opened it. Declare the structure of the node. The node structure is declared as how? Struct node, open brackets, int data, struct node star next. You almost should know what is that. The declaration of the node. Next, what are you doing? This is the header pointer which is pointing to the first node, that is head is equal to null. Last two. Next, what are you doing? The insertion. So how will you start inserting? By using the insertion function, that is void insert at beginning. You are going to insert the function at the beginning of the list. Then what is the statement? Yes, what is the statement about? This one. What are you doing here? You are allocating. What are you allocating? Memory to the linked list, right? Memory allocation is done here. Over. Next, what you are doing here at this point? New node implies data is equal to value. So like the previous one, you are assigning value to the node. Now in this case, here so if the head is not empty, so you keep moving from the first node till the last node. You keep adding the data. So write down else open bracket You are making the first node, that is head, as the temporary node. Yes, stop talking. So you keep adding the data till you find the next temporary node. You keep adding till you go to the end of the list. Write down. Temp is equal to temp implies next. So we keep, whenever we keep adding data, that node will become the new node. So every time you are adding the data at the first, so you are writing printf inserted at the beginning, you are printing that particular value. Yes, there are many people talking, please be quiet. Again, so what you are doing here? New node implies data is equal to value. Yes. Start writing. Next, what you are writing here? If head double equal to null. Last two boys, are you writing? So when you are adding the data to the end of the list, so again new node implies next is equal to the new node. You are inserting the data at the end of the list.